In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Etsy to Hover in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy does not support custom domains directly, but you can connect your domain using forwarding so visitors are redirected to your Etsy shop. Now, if you want to connect Etsy to Hover, here's what to do. Start by going to Hover and logging into your account. Next, go to your domain section and select the domain you want to connect to your Etsy shop. After that, open the Forwarding or Redirects tab inside your domain settings. Then, enable Domain Forwarding and enter your Etsy shop URL as the destination. Now, choose the redirect type. It's recommended to use a permanent redirect, also known as 301, for better SEO. After that, decide if you want masking. Masking keeps your domain visible in the browser instead of showing your Etsy URL, but it's optional. Then, save your changes and allow some time for the settings to update. This can take a few minutes to a few hours. Next, test your domain by entering it in your browser. It should automatically redirect to your Etsy shop. Keep in mind that Hover does not host your Etsy store. It only forwards visitors from your domain to your Etsy shop. That's it. By connecting Etsy to Hover using domain forwarding, you can create a more branded experience while still using your Etsy store.